How to change your Signal PIN. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you using Signal and want to change your Signal PIN? If yes, follow through the steps. First, open up the Signal application on your Android or iOS device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. Once you're inside this pop-up menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap Account. After tapping on the Account button, on the next page, tap on Change Your PIN. Now, go ahead and enter the new PIN you want to use and click Continue. Confirm your PIN by re-entering it again on the next page. And you have successfully changed your PIN on Signal. Your new Signal PIN will take effect immediately. Now, your account recovery information and registration protection will use your new PIN, keeping your Signal account secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.